SMCI is still up almost 3,000% since this dip. This was COVID crash 5 years ago. Even though we're pulling back now a little bit and everybody saying SMCI is crashing down, but if you see in the big picture, guys, we're still up big time. And of course, we're going to discuss the price target for SMCI next week, because right now we started to recover and we are almost 8%. The market, the whole market, it is in the big green side. As you can see here, we have a huge green side in the market. We're going to discuss, are we going to have this continuation for the next week, and where's the price, where the market maker or the short seller have to cover up in order to reverse officially, because we're already down almost 50% from this dip, and now we started to reverse from this dip almost 25% up. So let's get right to it. Hit the like button and subscribe, because we always go live every day, guys, on our channel to discuss the market. And of course, tomorrow we're gonna go live around 2 p.m. Central European time, or 30 minutes before market open, and on our Discord, of course, where we're gonna discuss the market on 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Eastern time. If you are on the, of course, if you want to have early access to our plays, and of course, join our hunters who already took a really good profit on Bone, the stock that did really good bump. And of course, we catch this stock in the pre-market and during the market. Of course, for our hunters here, we discuss the resistance around the $3.22. We suggest the bottom around the $1. We reverse from the $1, and before that, we suggest for entry around the 218. The price pumped around the $3.22 at the market open. So shout out to Louis and Dexter and other our hunters who already took their profit on Bone, and of course even Emoji Trader. Shout out. So let's get right to it, guys. The link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to join our hunter channel on our Discord and Patreon. For the meantime, what we should expect for SMCI? Are we gonna have a thumbs up for a market maker to buy SMCI, or a thumb down or selling pressure down for SMCI for the next week? So now what we should expect, because we're already reversed, we're still holding a new support at the moment over the 35.45, and right now is getting near the 45.71. As we discussed earlier, guys, we're still up technically 2,500% since the COVID 5 years ago. SMCI, Nvidia, those the top gainers since 5 years. And now we have a little pullback. So as we said, always see the big picture, because this pullback, yes, is significant in the smaller picture. If you bought here on February, yes, 1 month, almost 1 month technically right now for a pullback. Yeah, you say SMCI doesn't do well, but if you see in a big picture, 5 years ago, we're still up almost 3,000%. In the meantime, we started to reverse. We have a new support over the 35.45. And now we got a technical level to break around the 44, guys, here. 44.99 this time, guys. 44.99. Last time we discussed the 39.99. Now 44.99. The level that we have to break for the next week to confirm that SMCI is officially reversed. Why? Because the 44.99, like the other one, the 39.99, if we broke it, we're gonna have a major reversal. You see what's happened here once we broke this level? We did 12%. For here, if we jumped, we expect another exactly 12% for SMCI to hit at least the $50 and the 49, between the 50.90 and the 49.22 to be exact. So this is my price target for the next week. So we have to do another 12% once we jump from the 44.99. In the meantime, we close in the pre-market and even after hours. You see here, this is after hours trading. We're still holding the gain. We don't have a pullback because the whole market is doing all right now. So this is a really good reaction because SMCI, and of course, let us check Bitcoin because we might have, yeah, a pullback for Bitcoin right now. So look with me closely, guys. Why we talk about Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the mover for the market right now. Once the Bitcoin pull back from this trend, we have a huge red day for the market. Then we have a huge reversal here for Bitcoin since Tuesday, and the market recovered as well. But now we have a pullback for Bitcoin just today yeah, on Sunday, just a few hours ago. But it's still is not big a pullback for Bitcoin. We're gonna confirm with that, guys. If Bitcoin continue to pull back big time here, yes, will be a big sign that we're gonna have a red day on Monday. If we didn't and we still holding, is mean we're gonna continue up, because here we still have a kind of trend for Bitcoin, still holding this kind of level. So I'm gonna discuss this later on our Discord and Patreon to discuss if Bitcoin will be pulling back a lot, because will be the first signal that we're gonna have a red day for the pre-market tomorrow, because as you can see here, we have a huge green day for the market, because yeah, all the market is pulling back after a huge pullback for all the stocks. For now, the SMCI closed almost 8%, Palantir 8%. Those the top stocks that gained a lot last week. MSTR the same. So for SMCI, guys, what we should expect after the 50, because after even we break the 50, we have other levels to go to, because the most important level to go to is over the $90 or around the $100, and do a new high over 66. And for now, we have to expect testing the 50 first before the 55 and the 60. This is normal. Usually, if SMCI jumped without news or without a catalyst, we're gonna do 12%, 10%. This is the plausible level before a pullback. So by the next week, guys, in the pre-market, hopefully we have a gap up. Even if we have a gap down, we should hold over the 35, 45. Of course, after that, once the market open, we're gonna have the reversal and breaking the 44.99. This is by far the most important level for SMCI to break and go to at least by Monday. This price target just by Monday. I'm not talking about after few days or few weeks, because everything could change. In the meantime, guys, remember, we're gonna do live streaming tomorrow before the market open by 30 minutes, and after that or before that on our Discord and Patreon by 2 hours before the market opens. So join us on Discord and Patreon, the comment section below if you want to join. In the meantime, hit the like button on the way in, and of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what you think for the price target for SMCI. Are we going to have the $50 for the next week or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow, everybody.